The 1 cup challenge, guys. The cinnamon cup 1 cup challenge.
No, like it's a big birthday, Mommy. It's a big birthday. And I was like, wow. But what I wish somebody had told me, my 60s were amazing. Nobody told me that I had kind of worked towards, kind of hit its speed, so to speak. And
it's empty, guys.
Your
You
kids,
see?
for me anyway, were adults. So that period of time was
Disgusting.
over. I had taken care of my
Thanks, guys,
parents.
for watching.
I was
Please
Like maybe for the first time you were focused
on yourself.
Yeah.
You
like
felt
it,
a sense of freedom,
subscribe.
you know,